Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures we're going to take an adventure checking out the Apple Tower Theater in Los Angeles, California. That is right, in this episode of Alex's Adventures we're going to take an adventure walking inside the Apple Tower Theater and see what this Apple store in the heart of downtown Los Angeles has to offer. So here we are here on the corner of Broadway and 8th Street in the historic theater district. Here you can see these historic theaters on Broadway, and here is the Apple Tower Theater. So here is a close-up look at the Apple Tower Theater. Here's the entrance, and let's go inside. So we are inside of the Apple Tower Theater. Once you enter the Apple Tower Theater, this is the first thing that you will see. You will see the grand staircase that leads up to the second level of the Tower Theater. Here you can see some chandelier and some beautiful stained glass windows. Before Apple took over this theater, it was known as the Tower Theater. This theater itself opened in 1927 and closed in 1988. After several years of being abandoned, Apple decided to take a lease of this space, renovated the theater, and here is the result. So here we are on the second level of the Apple Tower Theater. Here you can see the sky of the ceiling. It's not an actual sky, but a painted sky. And I gotta say, the renovations complements this theater. And here we are standing on the second floor looking down, and as we look around, here is the rest of the Apple store. And here we're looking at the stage, and on the first floor of the Apple Tower Theater is where you can check out Apple products. But look how beautiful and detailed this theater is. So we're on the highest point that you can go up inside this Tower Theater. And as we look down, here's the full view of the Tower Theater. The Tower Theater, opened in 1927, was also known as the Newsreel Theater. Here's another look at the ceiling, and look how detailed this is. Beautiful lighting. And you could imagine how lively this place was for this theater when it had audience. So here's another view of the theater from a different angle. And here's a close-up look at this emblem. And this has got to be the most detailed building that has been renovated. And here's a closer look. Very beautiful and detailed. Love how much work has gone into in renovating this place. And here's the stage area. Here you have a view of the balcony. And as we pan across, here are the Apple products that you see there. And just imagine being an audience once this was a movie theater, now converted into an Apple store. Here is another view at the second floor. So here we have IMAX being on screen. That once used to be a stage area. And here's another view of the second floor seating area. And let's go back upstairs to get down where we started the adventure here. As we walk down where we started our adventure inside the Apple Tower Theater. Here's a beautiful look on this side of the Apple Tower Theater, and here's another view of these beautiful stained glass windows. And now let's go ahead and head down to the first floor. Here you can see a water fountain right there. Here you can see the entrance. We are looking at Broadway Street. And as we make our right, here's 8th Street. And I really love these open windows that you can see outside. And while being outside, you can see inside, so it's not claustrophobic. So here are the Apple products that are on display. Here we have Apple TV Plus, Apple Fitness, Apple Music. And here are all the Apple products. And here's another view from the first floor, looking up at the emblem here. This is such a beautiful building. This beautiful building has been also featured in several video games such as Rockstar Games, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, and also Rockstar Games LA Noire. Here's a view looking at 8th Street. And here are some Apple Watches and Apple iPhones on display. And what I like about this place is how this building is being preserved since it's a protected landmark. And as we walk down here, we're going to take a look at these beautiful black and white portraits of what it once was, known as the Tower Theater. Tower Theater, Los Angeles, California, 1926 prints. And yeah, that's about it. So that's about it from the Apple Tower Theater in downtown Los Angeles. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. Thank you for watching Alex's Adventures, and I will see you on the next one.